Hello friends, who said that smartphones are only for specifications? Not at all. There are many expensive smartphones available in the world. Today in this video, we are going to see 8 most expensive smartphones in the world. So let's get into the video.
Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota.
The first one is the Virtu Signature Touch for Bentley. Its price starts at $9,000. Virtu launched Signature Touch for Bentley. The smartphone is the result of automaker's 5-year partnership with the luxury smartphone maker. The cheapest Signature Touch in plain leather is priced at $9,000 and goes up all the way to $19,000. Buyers get a choice of 8 leather colors and 16 stitching options to customize the smartphone. The smartphone bundles a Bentley app which gives buyers access to exclusive content and events. On specifications front, the Android-based smartphone has a Snapdragon 810 processor, 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, which can be expanded up to 128GB of micro SD card. There is 21MP rear camera and a 2.1MP camera on the front. The smartphone has a 5.2-inch display and boasts of 428 ppi and is covered by a sapphire display. So, the second one is the Tonino Lamborghini 88 Tauri, and it starts at $5,250. Lamborghini 88 Tauri is a luxury smartphone from luxury car maker Lamborghini. Yeah, the phone features premium materials like 9 different colors of calfskin leather and black, silver and genuine gold plates. The smartphone's screen is said to be shuttered and scratch-proof. It is said to be the same glass as used in Lamborghini's own cars. On hardware fronts, the Android-powered smartphone features 20MP rear camera and 8MP shooter at the front. It runs on 2.3 GHz quad-core Qualcomm processor and packs 3GB RAM. The third one is the Mobiado Grand Touch EM Marble, and its price starts at $3,100. As the name suggests, Mobiado Grand Touch EM Marble is said to have been crafted from stone. The finish options of Mobiado include burl, cocobola, ebony, and granite. As for hardware specifications, there is 4.65-inch display with AMOLED capacitive touchscreen boasting of 16M colors. Packs 1GB RAM, 16GB internal storage and 5-megapixel camera with LED flash. Connectivity options are GPRS, Edge, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V3.0 with A2DP and micro USB V2.0 ports. The fourth one is the Sirin Solarin Crystal. Price starts at $14,000. Earlier this year, Israeli startup Sirin Labs launched one of the world's most expensive Android smartphones. Called Solarin, the smartphone has been dubbed as the Rolls-Royce of smartphones. Yeah, the Rolls-Royce of the smartphones. The company claims that Solarin is the world's most secure Android smartphone. The smartphone promises military-grade encryption technology to protect users' calls and messages. Solarin runs on 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 processor, comes with support for 24 bands of LTE and promises far superior Wi-Fi connectivity than standard mobile phones. The smartphone comes in 4 color options: Fire Black, Carbon Leather with Titanium, Fire Black Carbon Leather with Diamond-like Carbon, Fire Black Carbon Leather with Yellow Gold, and Crystal White Carbon Leather with Diamond-like Carbon. The fifth one is the Gresso Regal Gold. Price starts at $6,000. The solid gold bar smartphone is the latest addition to the company's Regal series. Called CRAZZER'S Regal Gold, its case is made of golden PVD coated titanium. Regal Gold smartphone runs on 1.5 GHz quad-core processor and it is powered by Android operating system. It boasts of a 5-inch 1080 pixel display with Gorilla Glass, a 13MP rear camera with LED flash and a 5 megapixel front camera. There is 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB internal storage. The sixth one is the Gold Genie iPhone 6s Elite. Its price starts at $3,599. Bling Lovers Gold Genie has 24K gold-plated version of iPhone 6s. Called iPhone 6s Elite, the smartphone has a special engraving on the back that celebrates the Chinese Year of the Monkey. Other than all that gold, this Gold Genie model sports a laser engraved monkey symbol that takes a good part of the backside of the phone. Gold Genie iPhone 6s Elite comes in 16, 64 and 128 GB storage models. Now, the seventh one is the Goldfish Eclipse and its price starts at $7,668. The newest addition to the Lexus series, Goldfish Eclipse, was launched in May this year. The handmade smartphone sports exotic leather and a framework of precious metals. The phone comes with a scratch-resistant 5.5-inch capacitive touchscreen, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and runs on Android operating system. There is 13-megapixel primary camera with 6 lenses to avoid distortion and color aberration, dual LED flash, f2.0 aperture, 5MP distortion-free front camera, and 4K resolution video with stereo recording. And the eighth one, the last one, is the Black Diamond iPhone, and it is the most expensive smartphone in the world according to the luxury website alex.com, and its price starts from $15.3 million. Oh my god, it's too much, right? Priced at a whopping $15.3 million, the Black Diamond iPhone 5 has been designed and crafted by Stuart Hughes, the renowned creator of some of the world's most expensive and luxurious items. Black Diamond iPhone is basically an iPhone 5 covered in gold, gems, and a super expensive black diamond. Yes, it's similar to its name. The company is reportedly also planning to launch an iPhone 6s worth $23 million. So, these are all the things that I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos and definitely click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos.